guys, really enjoying this. And what are we going to learn about? Antarctica, the most coldest continent. So it's very cold. And what do we have? Location, physical features, climate, natural vegetation, wildlife, and minerals. Let's continue. Antarctica, which literally means the opposite of Arctic, lies around the South Pole. It's surrounded by the Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. So Antarctica is basically surrounded by the Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. The southern extremities of which together form the Southern Ocean. So the southern extremities form the Southern Ocean. Now let's learn about the physical features. I'll take you. Physical features. Antarctica would be the smallest continent if it did not have an ice cap. Antarctica में बर्फ नहीं होता तो Antarctica coldest continent कैसे होता? Ice caps are thin layer of snow and ice that permanently covered land. So if this is Antarctica, ice permanently covered. This cannot get removed. Are you getting that? The ice cap of Antarctica is approximately 2,200 meters thick. I mean, like, I am seriously shocked. It has added to the original surface area and height of the continent. Hence, Antarctica is called the White Continent. Climate. Antarctica lies in the southern hemisphere, and therefore the seasons here are opposite of what experienced in the northern hemisphere. Means the seasons are really different. Like we are in India and other people live in America. They have spring, autumn. We don't have spring. We, I guess, have autumn, right? Tell me now.
I don't know.
Ah. Okay. The cold and long winter season lasts from April to September. April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months. During this time period, the temperature is very low, going down to minus 70 degrees C. It will be so cold. Blizzards, intensely cold and strong winds accompanied by falling snow are common. The sun does not rise over the horizon for about 3 months, during which the twilight is experienced.
Sorry, what light is experienced?
Twilight.
Twilight.
Yeah.
What is a twilight?
I don't know.
So you want to tell us about that in the next video maybe?
Yeah. Okay. Vegetation and wildlife. Few plants grow in Antarctica since most of the land is snow covered and there is no water. Mosses, lichens are the most common. Mineral resources. Many minerals such as copper, coal, iron, oil, etc. have been obtained in small quantities. Like if you search for minerals, 1% भर के copper होगा, 1% भर के iron होगा, 1% भर के coal होगा और 1% भर के oil होगा. That's how less. But mining activity is hampered because of the presence of ice sheets. In the future, it is hoped that humans will overcome difficulties such as icebergs, rough waves, and strong winds. Discovery of Antarctica. Antarctica was discovered in 1820. Early explorers were mainly hunters and sealers on Antarctica. Real exploration only began in the 12th century. First island explorers were Captain Robert Falcon Scott. In 1910, Captain Scott started hoping to be the first person to reach the South Pole. Meanwhile, a Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen, who had already started off to discover the North Pole, changed his mind and started a race to the South Pole when he learned that the North Pole had been already reached. This race to the South Pole is a famous event in the history of Antarctica. Amundsen and Scott never met. How is it possible? Anyways. However, both were aware that each of them was hoping to win the honor to reach the South Pole first. Human voyage zone. The continent of Antarctica is a land of mass covered with ice up to 4 kilometers thick. Can you believe that?
4 kilometers?
Yeah.
Wow.
Despite its thick ice, Antarctica is classified as a desert. It does not have much rainfall or snow. Then how can it have ice? Okay, anyways. When it snows, the snow does not melt and builds up over many years to make large, thick ice sheets. Means, so basically, if I put this ice cube in the water, this will also start melting in a few seconds. You know why? Because ice melts. But in Antarctica, ice doesn't melt. God knows why. I guess it's the carbon ice.
No, maybe because there is so much ice, because here it's the water that's warmer than the ice that's making it melt, right?
Right?
I guess in case of Antarctica, when the temperature is so low, it is not reaching the melting point of ice, and hence maybe the ice is not melting out there.
Yeah, I also think that. You finish this now.
Is it drinking water?
Yes.
Okay. Straight from Antarctica.
You can say that. Human voyage zone. Oh, sorry, I read this part. Antarctica is bitterly cold as it is made of lots of ice in the form of glaciers, ice shelves, and icebergs. It is the highest, driest, windiest, coldest, and the most desolate continent in the world.
Sorry, say that again.
Desolate.
No, desolate. But
Okay.
say all the 5 adjectives together, it is the...
Driest, windiest, coldest, and the most desolate continent in the world. Antarctica is a little exposed rock. There are no trees or bushes.
Ouch, no vegetation.
Vegetation here consists mosses, lichen, and algae.
Can you sum it up for us again? Look in the camera and tell us. Vegetation in Antarctica includes?
Mosses, lichens, and algae.
Algae.
Yeah.
Okay.
All these conditions are adverse to normal living conditions of human beings. The harsh climate conditions make human habitation difficult in Antarctica. Thus, we see that because of harsh living conditions, Antarctica is a very small but not very stoppable population between 1,000 and 4,000.
In the whole continent, do you know the size of the continent? Is it mentioned somewhere?
No, it's the smallest continent.
Okay.
Depending on the season, the density of population varies 0.00007 people per square kilometer in 0.0035 people per square kilometer. Therefore, Antarctica is sometimes rightly called a human void zone. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments which is the most hard subject in your life. So, tada, bye bye, see you, sayonara. Bye.